I am Jeff Strong with Bosch Rexroth. We are here to show our 550 controller. Product been on the market, released last September after a year's worth of prototype. We have approximately 200 of them going in the field now. With the controller, we can run multiple spreader functions as far as tow plows or on the truck itself. We pride ourselves in service after the sale. Same guy, one face, or the sales side and also the service side. So one face with the company, customers get used to one person. And plus we have a full inside sales support, service support, 24/7 technical support through the winter months. So somebody's always on call to be there. This is the Rexroth CS 550 spreader control. It's a computer interface in between the salt spreader or material spreader, granular or liquids. We also control with the single joystick, which can also be operated with air controls or cable controls if you do not go with the full joystick, to control all your plow functions, your wing functions, dump body, deploy a tow plow. We have voice readback to keep the operator's eyes more on the road, allow him to reach down, just change knobs, and they speak to him and tell him when they changes a function. With the joystick, we have an emergency function that we can stow all of our equipment. Anything that's been deployed, we'll stow with one touch of the button, allow the operator quick access in case of an emergency and needs to get equipment back in place. We monitor ground speed, vary with ground speed. We have feedback sensors that monitor the rate being put out. We can control the rates independent for a tow plow or the truck, or we can sync them together so they both go at the same rate. Trucks can be equipped with full spray bars, 1 boom, 2 boom, or 3 booms to allow an operator to anti-ice. GPS built into the controller is one of the functions. We also have data logging built on, so the management can get full data reports as far as material usage. USB reports, or the reports come out through the USB port. We have another USB port underneath where we can tie a camera into it and allow the operator to have a backup camera or a spinner camera. Onboard diagnostics. If we didn't have ground speed, we could get on board. It would show them if we were stopped. We can go through a live GPS system or a Wi-Fi. If it's a live GPS system through a network, they can actually see where the truck's at and what it's doing at any time. With use of sensors, we can tell if plows are deployed, if the wing's been down. Helps the guys on the management side and also in the shop side to get an idea of blade wear, how many miles they're getting out of a blade, and so we keep track of that kind of information. We have power floats we can put on the front plow to allow it to contour to the road. So if they do hit a manhole or something like that, we allow, through hydraulically, that plow will raise and float over the obstacle in the road. We can tie in temperature sensors, so we monitor air and pavement temperature. Also do current or temperature compensation, so as road temperature changes, we can have the controller without the operator having to reach down and turn up applications. We can tell the controller to go ahead and increase as the temperature decreases on the road, or vice versa, as temperature increases, we can decrease the salt usage or material usage. We have a chute control, so if the truck is equipped with an adjustable chute at the rear, you could go left and right with the chute. It would be similar to what the plow is doing, the tow plow is doing. But you can move it back and forth and allow them to go left lane, center lane, or right lane. We do full training on site. Myself, we also have full staff engineers that are available to do on-site training. We have training in-house in our main facility also in Welland, Ontario. And all in all, we've been doing controls now for about 25 years and just keep trying to improve every time we come out with a new control.